How much can a YouTube channel earn with only 93 videos in just 2 months? Most people would say you need at least 150 videos before a channel can really grow, but that's not always true. Take a look at this channel. It uploaded only 93 videos, yet it has already gained 306,000 subscribers. Now let's talk about the views. Several of its videos have reached hundreds of thousands of views, and its most popular video has already crossed 1.9 million views. What's even more impressive is that almost every other video on the channel has gone viral. You'll also notice that nearly all of those viral videos were uploaded within the last 2 months. Now let's look at the earnings. The channel generated $82,000 in the last 90 days from 11 million views. In the last 28 days, it earned $53,000 with 5 million views. But that's not the entire story. This creator also sells an ebook priced at $47. Let's make a conservative assumption that only 1% of the channel's subscribers purchased the ebook. That would result in approximately $169,000 in ebook sales alone. And here's the interesting part. This isn't the only channel using this strategy. There are 3 or 4 other channels following the exact same framework and generating revenue by selling digital products alongside their YouTube content. So in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create videos using this proven system. Step 1. Create your avatar. First, you'll need an avatar. The easiest way is to take a screenshot of your competitor's avatar since this style is currently trending. After taking the screenshot, open Google Gemini. Upload the image and type, "Recreate this avatar." Within seconds, Gemini will generate a brand new version inspired by the original. Download the avatar, and you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Find viral video topics. Next, we need video ideas. Open the link in the description. Inside the Google Doc, you'll find all the prompts we'll be using throughout this process. Copy the video topic prompt and paste it into Claude. Don't change anything. Just run the prompt. Within seconds, Claude will generate 20 viral video ideas that your competitors haven't covered yet. This keeps your content unique and significantly reduces the chances of future monetization issues. Choose any topic that fits your niche. Step 3. Generate the script. Now it's time to write the script. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the video script prompt. Paste it into Claude. You'll only need to make 2 changes. First, replace the placeholder with your chosen video topic. For this example, I'll select topic number 2. Second, set the desired video length. I recommend entering 25 minutes. Now run the prompt. Claude will immediately begin writing a complete YouTube script. While Claude is working, take a second to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Our goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers before September 1st, and your support really helps. Now, the script is finished. As you can see, Claude creates a well-structured script with a strong hook and a professional flow. I recommend keeping your videos longer than 20 minutes. Long-form videos allow for multiple ad placements, and YouTube often favors longer watch time in its recommendations. If you compare this with successful competitors, you'll notice they're using the exact same strategy. Step 4. Generate the video with HeyGen. Now it's time to turn your script into a professional-looking AI video, and for this, we're going to use HeyGen. The reason I recommend HeyGen is because it's one of the few AI video platforms that can generate videos up to 50 minutes long in a single project. That makes it perfect for creating long-form YouTube content without breaking your script into dozens of small clips. Once you're inside HeyGen, click on Avatar. You'll see 2 options. The first option lets you clone a real person, which is great if you want to create an AI version of yourself. The second option is Create Virtual Avatar, and that's the one we're going to use because we're building a completely original AI presenter. Upload the avatar image you created earlier using Gemini. After uploading it, give your avatar a name so it's easy to find in future projects. Next, choose the voice. One of the best things about HeyGen is that it offers voices in over 100 languages and accents, so you don't need a separate AI voice generator. Take a few minutes to listen to different voices and choose one that matches your niche. For educational content, A calm and confident voice usually performs best. For motivational or business content, you might want something with more energy. Once your avatar is ready, click the play button in the left corner and select Build Scene by Scene. A new workspace will open. On the right side, you'll see the script panel. Simply copy the script from Claude and paste it into HeyGen. If you're not completely happy with the default voice, don't worry. Click Improve Voice and describe exactly how you want it to sound. For example, you could type, "Speak in a calm, friendly, and confident American voice with a conversational tone." HeyGen will generate several improved voice options. Listen to each one and choose the version that sounds the most natural. You can also adjust the speaking speed, pauses, and pronunciation if needed. Before generating the full video, preview a short section to make sure everything looks and sounds right. If you're satisfied, click Generate. Depending on the length of your script, it may take a few minutes. When it's finished, you'll have a polished AI presenter delivering your entire script with natural lip sync, realistic facial expressions, and smooth body movements. At this point, you've already completed the hardest part of the entire process. Now all that's left is adding visuals to keep viewers engaged. Step 5. Edit the video. Now let's make the video look even more professional. For editing, you can use CapCut, although any video editor like Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve will work. Start by importing the AI video you generated in HeyGen. Next, gather supporting visuals that match what you're talking about. You can download copyright-free videos and images from websites like Pexels, Pixabay, or Pinterest. The goal isn't to create complicated edits. Instead, you're simply adding visuals that reinforce your narration and keep viewers watching. As your avatar explains a topic, place relevant B-roll footage over those sections. This makes the video more dynamic and significantly improves audience retention. Use simple zoom effects, smooth transitions, and occasional text overlays to highlight important points. If you're discussing statistics or earnings, display screenshots, charts, or graphics on the screen. When introducing a new section, add a title animation so viewers can easily follow along. You should also include subtle background music. Keep the volume low enough that it doesn't overpower the narration, but still adds energy to the video. Throughout the edit, remove any unnecessary pauses or silent moments to keep the pacing fast. A faster pace usually leads to higher watch time, which is one of YouTube's biggest ranking factors. Once you've finished editing, watch the entire video one more time to check for mistakes, awkward cuts, or audio issues. If everything looks good, export the video in 1080p or 4K, depending on your project settings. Now your video is completely finished and ready to upload to YouTube. With a professional AI avatar, a high-quality script, engaging visuals, and clean editing, you've created a video that looks like it was produced by an entire content team, even though you made it using AI tools.